Alright guys, this is my first video of my Ford Transit and my tool setup. As you can see, I got everything organized, all Dewalt, all Milwaukee. Got my laser. Got all my pencils, my markers, all my bits, oscillator. Got my jigsaw, socket sets with wrenches on the bottom. Got another oscillator, off-angle drill, grinder tool, all my batteries. This is my pen nailer, cabinet drill, cabinet drill, cabinet drill, cabinet drill with all different offsets on it. Got all my Dewalt drills. This is the new one with the offset. These are the bits for it. This is the new Dewalt pen nailer. Everything organized. 12-volt saw. Down here, I got my cabinet bit set. Another Milwaukee pen nailer. I'm going to actually do a comparison with the Dewalt and the Milwaukee. A hardware jig for cabinets to make handles and knobs into the doors. All my pen nails and bits. Got my angle finders, razors. These are all my razor setups. All different razors for different situations. But this is my setup. What you guys think? Let me know. These are all my Dewalt batteries at the bottom. What I do is, when I'm about to start a job, I come open the door, grab my bag, and just start putting my tools in. Then, when I'm ready, take everything back out and put all my stuff back. I know exactly where everything is. Alright guys, next time I'll show you the inside. Later.